Hey Cowboys, neighbors, friends. Here I am at the Traeger again, and it's gonna be rib night. I took 2 racks of ribs, took the silver skin off the back, cut them in half, and I used a really simple, effective, and tasty rib method. Just the 2-3-1, 2 hours of smoking, plain, that's it. I want them to get a nice bark. I did not do anything to them. I put them in. They've had 2 hours of smoking. So 2 hours at 180, and that's just smoking. No salt, no pepper, nothing. I wanted to create a good bark. I'm going to take them inside, sauce them, put them in a cast iron pot with a lid, and bring them back out. I'll show you. And here I am back at the Traeger. I took those ribs inside and I just brushed each side with a nice Hickory barbecue sauce. I think a lot of cooks are tempted, and there's pressure to complicate, overcomplicate. You have to make a homemade sauce. You have to use 32 ingredients. You have to do this. No, you don't have to do any of that. Whatever sauce, there's nothing wrong with using a bottle of sauce. If you want to make your homemade sauce, and there's times I do, go for it. Today I'm like, I got a bottle of Hickory barbecue sauce. It's going to be just fine. It was on sale for $2.97. I'm in. So, this is what they look like. Two full racks cut in half, so 4 half orders of ribs. Many instructions say to wrap them in 2 layers of foil, seal them in, seal the moisture in, blah, blah, blah. How about we just put them in a pot with the lid on? Moisture's not going anywhere. It's sealed up good. Cast iron radiates the heat well. They're gonna cook just fine. So, the 2-3-1 method, 2 hours of smoking, 3 hours in the pot, and then 1 hour just grilling them with sauce. This is step 2. 3 hours. I'll meet you back here at the grill. Hi folks. It's been 3 hours. I just pulled these out. Lovely tender, nice color. They smell great. I'm using Hickory wood pellets. And I'm going to put these in. It's Traeger still set for 225. I'm just using the 2-3-1 method, smoked for 2 hours at 180. 3 hours at 225, and now I'm going to do a half an hour just the way they are. I will put some sauce on halfway through. I don't want them too messy, but it's going to be a nice supper. I'll show you results when they're done. Hey Cowboys, neighbors, friends. I'm back at the Traeger. I've got a platter. I'm going to show you some Hickory smoked ribs, and they're easy sauced. I don't like them all messy all of the time. Sometimes I like them a little bit leaner and cleaner. And here we go. Hickory smoked pork ribs. Gonna take them inside, have them with some coleslaw. Supper's on the go. Just use the 2-3-1 method, and ribs are easy peasy. Buy a bottle of sauce, make your own, whatever suits your fancy. Have a good night, folks, and thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next video.